Hello everyone. Today we're heading to Castle Rock, all the way from Udupi on the Vande Bharat Express. Via Madgaon Junction. Yes, you heard that right. We're catching the mighty Goa Express from Madgaon, riding it all the way up to Castle Rock, and get this, we're going to witness the breathtaking Dudhsagar waterfalls in all their glory. Now, we're running a touch behind. The train's been delayed by just over 20 minutes. It pulled in late and then had to wait for a crossing here at Udupi station. But here's the good bit. Lunch has been loaded on board at Udupi and it'll be served round about midday. It's 10:52 in the morning, Wednesday the 24th of June, so let me crack on for a bit. Here's my Gemini AI. See you later. Are you transferring to the Goa Express? Cancel your ticket immediately. Massive physical anomaly. And the train is stopping, eh? What on earth is that supposed to mean? How do you know this? Live GPS tracking indicates you are approaching Madgaon. No way. That's not possible. Oh, come on, you're joking. Okay, whatever. Let's see. We had come to a stop at Kundapura for another crossing, and we're leaving now. And I'll be honest with you, that whole anomaly business has got me a little on edge. Anyway, enough of that. Sit back and enjoy a few of these shots that we are going to capture along the way. See you on the other side. Show me where. This is the anomaly. Uplink established. Standard cartography can't track the entity's mass. The scale is too large. It wants me to point my lens at the window and double tap to sync the glass to its AR protocol. What is going on? Come on, let me try that again. Why isn't this working? Ugh, double tap, it said. Double tap the glass. Is it me? Or is this thing just not having it? this. Wait. Access granted. That was crazy. I've never seen anything like it in my life. Right, now I need to see this anomaly blockade map. Let me double tap again, and let's play this game. Oh my god, the Dudhsagar belt is the... No, that can't be right. This can't be happening. What do I do? What do I do now? Okay, think. There has to be something. I have to figure this out before I reach Madgaon. No, look at those clouds. Look how dark it's gone out there, in the middle of the day. That color, that sickly, ghostly green, bleeding across the whole sky. I have never seen anything like this. My skin's crawling, the hair on my arms is standing straight up. Something's wrong. You can feel it, can't you? I'm not going to lie to you. I am properly scared right now. Whatever's out there, it knows we're coming. Oh my God,